Hello, my name is Gustavo Bakov, and today I'm going to be talking about global issues. The global issue that I am talking today about is about global warming and the ice melting. The documentary is Earth Underwater and talks about the problems we are facing since the Earth's temperature has risen a few degrees in the past years. Due to the high temperatures being recorded in the past years, it is estimated that by the 24th century, the sea level will have risen so much that cities like New York, Paris, and Berlin will be nothing but a new part of the ocean will be completely underwater. And this is because we are not being careful about the way we treat Earth and global warming issues. So in the future, the global warming might cause the cities like Paris, Berlin, and New York to be underwater. Climate State is the producer of the documentary, and what they're trying to make is for us to realize how great the problem is and how we are not very far away from actually starting to see very big differences. It's estimated that Miami will be wiped out, Florida, since the low ground area, will be completely filled with water. And what they want is to make us get the message that it's not something that's going to happen in the next 1,000 years or in the next 2,000 years. It's something that's happening now and will happen in the next 100 to 200 years, which is not far away. It's generations, just 1 or 2 generations away from us. So this is why they want us to get the message of how important it is to change the way we recycle, the way we use the energy, the way we produce gases, the way factories produce materials, the way that we throw out the waste to the ocean, and all those types of things that affect global warming. The way this documentary is able to appeal to us and make us have sense is that it's talking about something that's not going to happen in a long period of time. It's going to happen in a short period of time now, and this is why. And they're talking about how we can change it. So this is why the documentary helps and be able to understand how you can help and why it is very important for us to help since now, because it's a problem that, well, it's happening soon. And I think this is why the documentary is very well set up, and why I have felt how the global warming issues, the green gas effects have been affecting us. And I think the documentary expresses the idea very well and what we should do to stop it. How we can help the problem? Well, there's always energy saving, stop using the car as much. Public transportation is an option because, well, it reduces the amount of gases that are produced by cars, which is a very, very big factor in the global warming problems. Energy usage, we can start using light bulbs that use less energy, keeping the air conditioning off when we don't need it, turning off the lights before we get out, stop using gases that might damage the atmosphere and the ozone layer. These are all the types of things that we can do to help prevent. And I think that the most important thing is to get the message out, because a large percent of the people of the population don't know the problem and don't know how it is affecting them and how it will affect them in the future. So I think that the most important thing, the way that we can contribute to the problem, is by getting the message out and make sure that everyone knows what the problem is and how we can help, how easy it is to help. It's not a difficult problem to solve. It's a thing that we can easily do, and we can easily help by reducing the energy consumption, recycling, like in the school. All these types of things will help. Also, I think the documentary really appeals to us, or to me, because I want to be able to I want to know that in the next 200 years, my children or my grandchildren will be able to see what I saw and not be in New York and Paris, Berlin, Mexico City, all these huge cities which are very beautiful will be completely underwater in the next 100 to 200 years. And I think that I would love it so much that my future generations get to see the cities that I saw and not what is going to happen if we don't stop the global warming problem.